Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me to bring you today's video. If you're new to FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box, so it comes out 4 times a year and it's filled with full-size items that include fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. Each box is only $49.99, but it includes over $200 worth of full-size products. It's a huge, huge savings. And if you'd like to try out FabFitFun, you can use my discount code, which is DIYWinter, and that will save you $10 off your first box. Now, once you become a member, you'll also gain access to their add-on sale, and their winter one is going on right now. These items tend to sell out really quickly, so you want to jump on them as quickly as possible, and all of those items ship right along with your subscription box. Now let me give you a preview of some of the awesome products that are going to be available in the winter add-on sale. Now, like I said, all of these items are either fashion, beauty, wellness, or lifestyle items. We're going to start with the fashion items. The first thing I saw when I opened my box was this gorgeous necklace. It is CZ by Kenneth J. Lane, and it is so fashion forward and trendy. I love it. I put it right on. I know this is going to be one of those items that I can wear with so many different outfits. I can dress it up and I can dress it down. They also have some amazing bags. This purse is gorgeous. It's a black leather Rebecca Minkoff bag, and it comes not only with a handle, so you can use it as a crossbody or over your shoulder. I actually kind of prefer to leave that off, and I kind of just put it in the crook of my elbow like this and carry it around like this. And it's got lots of pockets in it, and it's so beautiful too. Now, I was kind of glad they added this in with my box because I've never tried one of these, or I've never had one of these before. It is a fanny pack, I guess, or a belt bag, as it says. It's another Rebecca Minkoff bag. Gorgeous white leather with a nice fringe. I love the zippers on these. They're really nice and heavy, so they're not gonna break. They also have a lot of nice detail on them with the clip on the front, but it's got a nice button closure and pocket in the front too. So very trendy, but also really useful too. I really liked those too because both of these bags came with dust covers, so when you're not using them, you can store them away and keep them still looking nice. They also had this cute duffel bag with some pink and some flowers on it. This is by Band 5. Really cute for a nice little weekend bag or a gym bag too. There are also some amazing sunglasses. These came in a really nice case, and there's also a nice lens cloth inside, so you can keep your glasses nice as they are in your purse or in your car. And these are really pretty. I love the light pink plastic on the ears. And then they are just super cute, very fashionable. Also, winter is coming up, and we live in the Midwest, and it gets extremely cold, plenty of snow, and they have some cute hats and gloves. I definitely will be putting these to use quite a bit. These are really pretty. They have like a gray tone to them and then a pretty silver metallic threading through them. Now, these next 2 items I'm so excited about. I've actually used this Tarte palette a couple times now, and I love it. You just can't beat really great makeup, especially eyeshadow, and this stuff stays put all day long, all evening long. This is the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 2. I love the colors. It kind of has a smoky palette, so some more natural tones, but also some beautiful tones for evening wear. And this is amazing too. I've never really had, I have a couple nice makeup brushes here and there, but this is an entire set of Hikari makeup brushes. And these are just gorgeous. They are so nice and soft and a wonderful quality. I can't wait to use these to start applying my makeup. So let me show you a few of these. They have really nice sturdy handles on them. They're nice and fluffy, and I love this gold tone on the top too. And not only that, but it comes in this beautiful case, so if you have to do any traveling or anything, they're nice and protected in this case. Whether you've got it on a cabinet or something, everything stays nice and in its place. There's also a really neat box of instant fresh body wipes with lavender and tea tree. I love tea tree. It's a great natural item to have with your beauty care products. This one says you wipe your skin to instantly remove dirt, oil, and odor, safe for all areas and skin types. And the nice thing about these two is they come in little packets inside, so there's 10 of these, so you can slip this in your purse or your gym bag and use them on the go. Now I really love these two. It is a Daily Concepts soap and sponge combination. It says multifunctional soap sponge, and this is mother of pearl. And it is a soap on the outside and a sponge on the inside. Now this I'm really looking forward to, especially if you use a lot of dry shampoo. This is by Neon & Co. It is a hair and scalp mask. It's basically a face mask, but for your hair and for your scalp. So it kind of gets all of that extra buildup off your skin and renews and refreshes. Now this product I actually have and use. I keep it next to the sink and use it every time I brush my teeth. It is a lip scrub by Sarah Happ. I don't have this one though, so I'm excited about this. This one is a pumpkin spice latte. Oh my gosh, and yeah, it smells so good. But it just exfoliates your lips and moisturizes them. Now this is a product that's new to me. I actually don't use any kind of serums on my face. However, I do feel like I need to, so I'm excited to use this. It is Glowing Essence Complete Serum. It says that it brightens skin tone, diminishes age spots and discoloration. It reduces wrinkles, depth, and density. So just something extra to add to my facial routine. Now this next item, I thought it was a watch at first because it's packaged so nicely. It is La Potion Infinity Argentum, and when I opened it up, this is what I saw. This gorgeous packaging for a facial. So inside is this beautiful glass container, and the lid just spins right off. It has a protective cap on it, and then the potion, as it says, inside. So this is going to be something fancy. I think me and my daughter are going to try out one night. Also inside here is this little information packet. It says caregiver on the front, which is definitely me. And then in the back is a cute little pocket with a plastic spoon on it so you can apply your face mask. This is the Perricombe MD No Makeup Instant Blur Compact. And basically what it does is it smooths your lines and wrinkles instantly. So it comes in a really cute little case with a nice little pad in there, and then you flip open this, and that is the product that you would put on your face before you put your makeup on, kind of like a primer, but it does instantly blur. Maybe if you don't want to wear makeup at all, this would be a great alternative to just kind of smooth any kind of imperfections without adding color. And like I mentioned, they also have lifestyle products, and the few that they sent me are so super amazing. This is the In Vogue Luxe Plush Throw. It is so cute, and it is so soft. It has adorable little cacti on it and something you can decorate with, but with winter coming up, I need a blanket all the time, and so this will be something cute to have around to snuggle up with. They also have some really cute kind of cocktail party things. This is by Chic and Tonic. They are placemats and napkins, and the napkins have a white marble theme on it, which are really popular right now. So whether you're going to use these for a party or for your own home's decor, they make it really nice that these are all sort of matching sets and make it really easy to set up a beautiful table or cocktail party. Now this is so adorable. I can't wait to use this. It is a thermos set, and it comes with not only a thermos but two super cute enamel cups and a little mitten tea diffuser, which is beyond adorable. So here is the thermos. It comes with a lid that twists off, and I really like that there's a little diffuser inside here too. And the pattern on the front is really cute and cozy for the winter time. And then the cups are pink and red, which match the thermos. And then the little tea diffuser is just so cute. You just hang it in your cup. They also have some stationery items. These are by Oh Dear, and this is such a cute concept. Not only do your recipients get a card, but they also get a sweet little pin on the front that they can take off and use and wear or put wherever they want. One has a unicorn. There is an adorable flamingo one, which my mom loves flamingos, so I'm sure this will become hers when her birthday rolls around. And then there's also a really cute little dachshund on here, and then they come with cute little envelopes too. And this last item I cannot wait to use. I have really long, thick hair. It takes so long to blow dry, but I do every time I wash my hair. I don't go to bed with my hair wet. Because it gets really frizzy. It says it is a luxury hair dryer for a salon experience right at home, and has a salon grade AC motor that emits heat that distributes negative ions into your tresses. And these negative ions not only work to break up the water molecules faster to cut down on dry time, but they also seal the cuticle to reduce frizz and flyaways, which is definitely my problem. And this will be my first actual nice fancy hair dryer, so I can't wait to use this because I use my hair dryer almost every day. Now, if you're already a subscriber to FabFitFun, you can upgrade to their annual membership, and that will gain you early access to these sales. And it's totally worth it because all of the good things always tend to go quickly, and if you're an annual subscriber, you'll get first viewing of all of the great items. But that's not all. You can also add 2 freebies into your cart if you add at least $15 worth of add-on items to your subscription box. This season, the sponsored products are Giovanni. It's a tea tree shampoo for all hair types, which helps increase scalp circulation for a refreshing and renewed feel. The other sponsored product is by Mint Mobile, so you'll get 3 months of premium wireless, including unlimited talk and text. Thank you again to FabFitFun for partnering with me to bring you today's video. They have so many amazing things. I am always very much impressed by everything that always arrives. And my winter box is on its way, and I can't wait to see what's inside and share that with you all next time. Don't forget to use my coupon code DIYWinter. That'll save you $10 off your first box. I'll have a link down below too, so you can check that out. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.